How to make bingeable videos. What is the definition of bingeable? The definition is exactly what you want to know. Bingeable videos have multiple episodes. That is the perfect way to put it, because when you're making bingeable videos, you are not making a single video. You are making a series of videos so that someone can binge watch them. That's the whole point of bingeable videos. And you do this by creating a playlist. So what is not bingeable? Viral videos are not bingeable. However, if you were to do a playlist of viral videos, that's bingeable. When you think about what becomes bingeable, you have to think in terms of the series that you're going to make with your videos. Introductions and trailer. These are not bingeable videos, but if you did a series on intros, if you did a series on trailers, that could be bingeable. So do you see the distinction between what is and what is not bingeable? Focus on a single topic. That can become bingeable. If you do something that's like a TV show, where you have multiple episodes in your TV style series, this becomes bingeable. So if you know that you're going to have a season for your TV show, you can say, well, my show is going to be 15 videos, that's my season. The great thing about doing that, number one, you get excitement for what's going to happen next. Get excitement. Number two, you get people coming back for more. Number three, anticipation. Number four, burnout. When you have a specific season, what's great about that is burnout doesn't happen the same way it does when you feel compelled to constantly produce, constantly be there, constantly show up every single week, the same day, the same time, every single week. Can you take a vacation? You know, or do you have to be there, be there, be there? Do you feel like you are so controlled by your YouTube channel? You don't want that, right? You don't want to be, you want to be in control. This is your life. So who's in control of your life?
You.
You. You. So you. Oh, sorry. That's my husband, by the way. So whoever's in control of your life.
It's the two.
You just want to be sure that you're giving yourself time to rejuvenate. Because what good are you if, yeah, you're still showing up, and yeah, you're being consistent, and yeah, you're producing your content like this, and your energy levels are getting like this. And at a certain point, you're like, I hate this. I don't even want to do this. I don't even want to look at a video camera. I need a nap. You know, can I just please leave me alone? You don't want to get there. This is why bingeable videos are awesome. Because you think in terms of a finite series. When it's over, that's it. You have set a goal, and you can accomplish it in a certain amount of time. And the reason why that is also fantastic is because how many of you set goals and do them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In truth, and be honest with me. If Christmas was not the same day every year, would you celebrate it with your family? Would they come in from all over the country?
No, because they would have conflicting schedules.
Right.
So it would be really difficult unless it's nationally designated.
If it isn't a designated holiday, will you take a holiday? Would you?
Probably not.
Maybe not. Maybe, but probably not. If it isn't something set in stone, are you going to do it? So if you give yourself a goal of this series, this playlist is going to have 10 videos, you predetermine what every single one of those videos are. You figure out your filming schedule. You write your scripts. You film it. You post it to YouTube and schedule them to go out every week, the same day, the same time, for 10 weeks. Wow. Now you have time for social media. Now you have time for promotion. Now you have time for your next series. Now you have time for your family. You have time for your friends. You have time to take a vacation, rejuvenate, right? Think about something else. So this is why bingeable videos are not just, oh boy, bingeable, I'm gonna get a ton of views. This is great for your life. This is great for your head. This is great for your family. This is a way for you to be able to do something that you want to do, but still live your life. Don't forget to subscribe. It's just going to get better and better, Kathy. Stay tuned for the next video.